So recently, railroads have been taking a huge crap, so I think it's time we discuss this matter.
Number 5 is the CM44AC. This is what CSX designates their rebuild AC4400 CWs. This is where they take perfectly cool YN2 AC44s and turn them into this new website logo with a G vocab. Personally, I think this scheme is pretty cool, other than that new UP scheme, which, you know. Speaking of rebuilds, number 4 is the perfect time to talk about the AC44C4M. This is BNSF's definition of rebuilding their Dash 9s, where they take off the cooler Dash 9 cab and replace it with a really ugly G vocab. In fact, BNSF is so desperate to get rid of their Dash 9s, they gave some to KCS, and these Dash 9s went from really shiny and cool to really ugly and dirty. Number 3 is the C44ACM. This is Union Pacific's way of rebuilding their AC4400 CWs, AC6000 CWs, and ironically their Dash 9s as part of this new $1 billion deal with Wabtec or GE, whatever they're called these days. UP has been really slow recently, as they recently killed off most of their SC70Ms and all in storage, and they removed this ugly paint scheme, which, yeah. At number 2, we have the foamiest locomotive of all time, the AC44C67. This is what Norfolk Southern designates their rebuilt Dash 9s. I know, these Dash 9s are going to be gone for a while, so get out there while you can. This is the millionth time I'm saying this, but in all regards, NS is really dumb these days. Worst railroad in America, worst locomotive fleet of all time, and it's all because they just had to rebuild the Dash 9s, put some G vocabs on them, and this caused BNSF and now CN to rebuild their own Dash 9s. This is not good, NS. You started a war.
I'm very sorry about that right now. I don't know what came over me, but in all regards, may I present the number 1 former magnet rebuild locomotive, which is...
What the actual fuck is this major league success I'm talking about right here? This is the best comeback on a railroad I've ever seen, and this is the most EMD you're going to get in this video, as CP has also made heritage units and ironically veterans units. And yeah, this is the most former magnet rebuild locomotive you're ever going to get from this video. And also, this is where the video ends. Goodbye.